Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at La Meridian in Barcelona, Spain. And we are right on La Rambla, which is the main street here, where you can walk to a lot of amazing places. So this is a great location. And we have one step up from their basic room, and it is one of their renovated rooms. It's very small, but it's really well designed and very clean and fresh because they just renovated it. So anyway, you walk in, luggage racks, and here they have coffee and coffee supplies. And then in here is your supplies in your refrigerator. Kind of your basic closet, good storage, but the best part about this hotel is it's right in the heart of La Rambla, which is, like I said, the big street with all the nightlife and fun vendors. Okay, so this hotel also has a really great restaurant slash bar attached to it. It's wonderful. They have a cute, tiny little breakfast place where you can go up and order a limited menu, but it really is, it's not so limited, it would meet everybody's needs. The TV choices here are very limited. You are in a foreign country, and most of the English channels are going to be like news channels. So you can bring your tablet and hook it up because the cable is strung through the wall. And so we have our tablet hooked up here, and we can play our Netflix and Amazon Prime, that kind of thing. So, sorry that we've already unpacked and moved into this room, but we arrived yesterday morning. We were completely exhausted from an overnight flight, so we kind of crashed immediately and recorded this after our stuff was all over the place. But at least this gives you some idea of what a very small but very clean and comfortable room in the best part of the city is. I think we are paying about $320 a night, which is excellent. Barcelona, at least at this time of recording, is not an expensive place to stay, unless of course you want to go really high end. That's up to you. But we found the drink and food prices very reasonable, the entry fees to different places very reasonable. So there you have it. Again, one step up from their basic king room at La Meridian, which is a Marriott property in La Rambla Street in Barcelona, Spain. And thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. And please subscribe, like, leave questions or comments. And thanks for watching.